We have 7 cubes, 7 holocrons. But we have 10 more on the way from the gift. The buy one, get one airdrop that we've not yet gotten. So just so you guys know, sometimes we do record these ahead of time. We open a cube a day, but sometimes we open a bunch back to back. And then I release them one at a time just because that's what time allows for us. That means that somewhere along the way in these, we're going to take a break because Mickey and friends are coming. And I don't know what day we're going to get to open those. So you may or may not see this before Mickey and friends happens. So let's see, before we take a break for some Mickey stuff, what are we doing here on Star Wars today? Which one? 1 through 7. Ooh, you're 7. Should we pick number 7? Okay. Holocron number 7 for Nicky Boy, who is 7.
Yeah, and if we ever eventually get 44, we can choose the last one.
You want me to buy 44 cubes?
Yeah, just because you're 44 and you got me 7 because third.
You think I made him money?
Yeah.
All right. Cube number 7.
I do it.
That's where you're going. Here we go. Oh, Nicky head hugs are back in action. Is the magic still there? Rare Vader. We have that. We have all the Vaders, right? Well, no, we don't have Grails, but maybe we do.
We have 1 Grail, I think.
We have all the Vaders except the Ultra Grail. There we go.
Yeah, we have every single Vader.
All right, we just need that UG Vader coming up. Well, I'll tell you what. Since that's a dupe, how about we do a surprise 2-in-1 video? You want to get rid of this little hanging guy? We're going to keep it going. All right, mister. I'll let you open it. You know, when you have this many, it's kind of hard to get new ones. It's likely to be a duplicate just because we have so many. Maybe we get lucky.
We just need an Ultra Grail if we want to get something new.
Yep, sure. And it's a legendary Luke, which we have. Yep, we're just looking for Grails and Ultra Grails to get new ones at this point. So, it's going to be tough to do it, but thanks for sticking with us, and we'll come back with another video and more to go.